Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, November 15, 2019. Today's video is about M16 and the Eagle Nebula. A star cluster around 2 million years young surrounded by natal clouds of dust and glowing gas, M16 is also known as the Eagle Nebula. This beautifully detailed portrait of the region was made with ground-based narrow and broadband image data. It includes cosmic sculptures made famous in Hubble Space Telescope close-ups of the starforming complex. Described as elephant trunks or pillars of creation, dense, dusty columns rising near the center are light years in length but are gravitationally contracting to form stars. Energetic radiation from the cluster stars erodes material near the tips, eventually exposing the embedded new stars. Extending from the ridge of bright emission at lower left is another dusty star-forming column known as the Fairy of Eagle Nebula. M16 lies about 7,000 light-years away, an easy target for binoculars or small telescopes in a nebula-rich part of the sky toward the split constellation Serpens Cauda, the tail of the snake. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.